Yeah. Okay, come on, let's see what's in there. She's mad because I just cut her toenails. You had a paw here. Yeah, so now you get a prize. Huh? Yeah, now you get a prize. You want to see what's in here? If nothing else, you get a fresh box. Yeah. Okay, here we go again. No artwork, just a pink card. And tells all about it. What do we have here? A stick toy. A stick toy with a star on it. What's this? Per Palace Post stationery set. 10 note cards, 10 envelopes, notepad, and a pen. Opens this way. Per Palace Post. Oh, it's stuck together. That's why we bring the knife. A glitter pen, a notepad. These must be the cards. And then matching envelopes. That's cute. That's really cute. Just blank inside. Light blue. Per Palace. Hey Vivian, here's your soft toy. We'll see if they got the catnip right this time. They didn't? You telling me they didn't already? Here. It's hard. Does it smell good? Is it the good catnip? Is it the good catnip? No? Meow and his 2 barrettes. Hair barrettes. And a sticker. And this week, or this month's t-shirt. I'm not sure what that is. What is that? Cat with a crown on. It looks like it needs color to me. You're just interested in the box? Look, it's a peacock. I think it's supposed to be a peacock. Where are you headed? I guess I need to go get Zeus. And then what's in here? And get out Carl the caterpillar. Oh, it's a glass dish with whiskers and ears. That's kind of cute. That's kind of cute. What did they say it is? A trinket dish. Royal cat tea, kitty trinket dish, meow and hiss clips, starlight fairy wand toy, Penelope peacock catnip toy, and Per Palace Post stationery set. But the reason we do this, mainly, she used to really like the toys, but I think they changed the catnip and now she's not into them anymore. But the reason we do this is because they donate the proceeds. It says, because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month, and they list 5 rescues that they donated. Oh, it says plus 8 others. So all of the money goes to cat rescue, which, you know, that's a good thing. We're happy about that. We've rescued a lot of cats. They all get a vet visit and a neuter or a spay. And then we feed them twice a day, keep track of them. And then all of our indoor cats are rescues too. So it's important. There's way too many cats in the world. And they need to all have a good home. This is like the most exciting part, the box, apparently. The box is the most exciting. Maybe it's exciting, I don't know. She likes the tissue paper too. I got it too big. Too big. We'll go get Zeus Man and see what he thinks. Before you take apart this box, be sure that your cat doesn't want it. That's what it says inside. The cat always wants it. And the tissue paper. Now let's go get Zeus Man. He's sleeping. Venus is having a snack, I guess. Yeah, look, see, here's a box. Look. Here's the toy. It's Hey. Hey. What have they done to the catnip, Zeus? What have they done to it? Let's open this. Normally these stick toys just cause fights. But let's see. Maybe that's the ticket nowadays. You want a stick toy? Or you like the t-shirt? My t-shirt. Look at this. Look at that. There we go. Uh-oh. Now we got Liz. Now we got her. The string is so long. Let's hoist it up a little bit. Yeah. Now we got it. You quit having lunch just to come in. Look at Zeus, he's like, I don't know about this. I might get my face slapped if I go after it. I might get my face slapped if I go after it. She's pretty wild. Does it smell good? Oh, you caught it. You caught it. You caught it. It used to be that we'd get the string toy out and there'd be all these fights over who it belonged to and somebody got too close to somebody else. And the dogs are out. The dogs are out on the deck, so they're not gonna get it. What do you got, Viv? What you got, Bibby? The cat with 1,000 names. What are you looking at, Zeus? Huh? What are you looking at, Zeus? Oh, that's nice, yeah. You're silly. Yeah, you're silly. You're a silly guy. What you doing, Viv? Want me to make it dance some more? There. Oh. She's taking it. Yeah? You gonna talk about it? Wow. So I have to make it wiggle as you remove it from the room. You have to keep it going, apparently. Okay, it's going in there with you, huh? You're taking it to the laundry room. You're funny. Yeah, you're funny. You want it in there? Let's see if I can manage this with one hand. Nope, I can't. Yeah. You took it in here so it wasn't in the same room as Zeus? She keeps taking it. Then when it stops, she doesn't want anything to do with it. Is that good? Are you happy this month? You're happy with your toy? Okay. Okay. Say thanks for watching. We'll see you next month. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next month.